Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me. It's gonna be pretty simple. I'm not gonna be doing a lot of crazy stuff, mainly because I am just gonna be chilling at home. I might go out, but it's gonna be like to the store or something. So this is just gonna be a super casual, just get ready with me type of video. So let's just get into the get ready with me. So I usually start off by moisturizing my face, and for that I will be using the NYX Hydra Touch oil primer. I've been using this with like my powder foundation or like powder in general, and it's been working very well, and it doesn't leave my skin super oily or dry. So I'm just gonna be taking a little bit of this, and my normal routine is usually just using this NYX eyebrow cake powder with my Mikasa E400, I believe it is. It has the spoolie on one side and then it has the bristles on the other. I just think that it's a little bit fat for my liking to use it with anything else other than powder. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So in the morning, I do like to kind of watch YouTube videos that I haven't been able to catch up on. If I have time. If I don't, then I just quickly do my makeup and then hit the road. I work about 40 minutes away from home, so it's kind of a longer drive in my opinion, and I sometimes wake up late. Come on, we have to be honest here. So I try to just quickly do this in the morning. I don't like to fuss over it. And so basically I just outlined my eyebrows, and lately my eyebrows have been like super weird. Like I don't know why. They've been looking all but I just fill them in the best I can, and then I clean them up with my eyeshadow base. I really like the eyeshadow base I use, mainly because it's so versatile. It's not just an eyeshadow base. You can use it as a concealer, as an eye primer, or eyeshadow base as it's intended to be. And then like I use it to clean up my under eye. I use it to clean up my brows once I'm done. So I'll show you guys kind of like how I do it every morning. This is what I've been doing, and I really like this because it's like very simple, not too much to it. And depending on the days, if I'm like in a really big rush, I'll go a little bit faster. I'll skip some steps and do something else. Just anything to make my life easier. Let me pull my eyeshadow base. This is from Essence. I love Sage eyeshadow base. I like that it has like a kind of dofa applicator. It doesn't have like a hole in the middle. It's just straight. And then I use this to kind of clean up the brows. It's been getting a little bit chilly where I live, which is crazy because I feel like last year it was really hot until like October. I don't know if I miss the heat or not. Like I really like the crispy air, but at the same time it's like I really like summer. But this summer was like the first summer where I didn't get a summer to just do whatever I wanted and hang out with friends. I know I look crazy. It's okay. I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild brush. I use it all the time. It's a flat concealer brush. It's kind of dirty right now, but it's fine. It will do the job. I just use this to kind of clean this up and blend this out. But yeah, it's like kind of crispy and outside, and I don't know if I really enjoy it or not. I like summer. My birthday's in the summer, so I enjoy that. But at the same time, it's like it can get kind of too hot for my liking. I don't know. Okay, you know what? These brows are not my favorite right now. I need to get my brows done anyway, but yeah. Usually I'll just go into this again and then just put this a little bit on my eyes. And then if I want to do just concealer that day, because I don't really want to put everything else on my face, I'll just go ahead and blend out my concealer down here. I haven't really been using concealer. I've been using this guy, like I said, for everything. If I really need like a major covering up that day, I'll go into foundation. So because I am just going to be chilling at my house today, I'm not going to go into the whole foundation routine that I do, or yeah, the usual. I just try to keep it a little bit on the simpler side. And so that would entail doing this and then adding some more of the eyeshadow base right under here. Do you guys do a whole full face of makeup on your way to work, or on your way to work? That's dangerous. Please don't do that. Do you guys do your foundation and powder and blush and highlight every day for work, or is that kind of just on days you want to, I don't know. Because I kind of like doing it on a regular basis. But other times I don't. I feel like I don't really need it. So what's the point, you know? I usually prime my face before I go into my powder routine. And even if before I do my foundation routine, I'll do the Master Prime primer from Maybelline. And for my birthday, I actually decided to splurge a little bit. And I got the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. And I also got the foundation. So I hardly buy very expensive makeup for myself. I just think that it's a little bit too much. But because it was my birthday, I decided to get a little bit something nicer. So depending on what I want to do that day, I'll go between either of them. But for all intents and purposes, just because this is what I pulled out first, I'll just use the Maybelline one. And you can do this before you do that whole concealer step, but I do it after, just so it's like nice and fresh and it doesn't fade away into the skin. Slap your face a little bit because sometimes we just need to get woken up. Just joking. I don't ever do that. Okay, but yeah, so essentially that's what I do. And for just refreshing and kind of hydrating my skin, I like to use the Mario Badescu one. Why am I saying his name so weird? Okay, I'm saying his name really weird, but you know what I mean, this guy. This is the guy I'm talking about, Mario Badescu Skincare. This is the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. I like to concentrate it on my cheeks and my sides, mainly because this is where I need the most hydration. So I kind of just let that kind of sit a little bit. And while that's sitting, I'll go ahead again and grab that eyeshadow base or any concealer that I really like that I feel like matches my skin tone. And I'll just go ahead and cover small blemishes I might have. This has just been the powder foundation I use because it's what I have. I don't have any other powder foundation. I use the Fit Me Matte and Poreless 320 Natural Tan powder. I've had this for a while. I think I'm getting close to hitting pan because I can see like the grooves in there. You guys like using powder foundation? Because I don't really know how I feel. Like I like it because it's like natural. It gives you some sort of color to your face. But at the same time, I feel like it can just be very drying and make your face look almost cakey. You let me know what you like. And then I just go ahead and then just put some on my eye. Try to be gentle. I'm not gentle at all, but try to be. I don't know what blush I want today. You know what? I don't want to put on highlighter, but I do want kind of a... Oops. So I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Color Icon blusher in the shade Pearlescent Pink. So I've lately been watching Gilmore Girls. A coworker of mine was like, oh my god, I love that show. She was talking about it with like someone else and I was like, wait, what show? They were looking at me like I had 3 heads. I've never seen Gilmore Girls before until now. I started watching it and I'm loving this show. I am. I just think that it's kind of, I don't want to say boring, but there's some stuff where I'm just like, what was the point of this episode? Okay, I feel like I put so much blush on. Okay, whatever. Overall, I think it is a good show. I'm still in the beginning stages of whether I like it or not. Just started watching the show, so I'm just going to be using the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. And I got this one a while ago. It's just, I think it's the only highlighter that they have. Okay, so I'm just putting a little bit on my upper lip. And then I'm going to put some Carmex on my lips because these lips are crusty. I should have probably done this at the beginning. I usually do anyways, but... Okay, so one look that I really was enjoying for a while, I haven't done it lately, but is using this color right here. This is the shade Paprika. I don't even know if you can see, but it is the shade Paprika. This is from Coastal Scents. This is one of their hot pots. And I'm just going to put it all over my eye just to show you guys kind of how it looks. I'm just going to go in with the Renaissance eyeliner. On a normal day, I will not do eyeliner because I usually spend a while trying to apply eyeliner. I just ran out of my favorite mascara. Picture will be right here. It's the Maybelline Mega Plush mascara. It's like in that light blue tube. So instead, I'm going to be trying out this CoverGirl Flourish by Lash Blast. I'm just going to curl my lashes and put some mascara on. I usually just use my NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade Soft Spoken legit holy grail lipstick. Okay, it's not my holy grail, but it's my favorite color to use on an everyday basis because it's such a like natural me, my lip a better type of color. I do also use this Cargo Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Sahara. It's shimmery and like girly, so if I do want like not a matte lip, like this is gonna become like a cream to matte lip. Okay, it's not really matte, but it's more like on the cream side. I'll just apply this and like right in the center. But yeah, that's it. I'm probably just gonna take out this hairband because my hair was like really crazy and it just always looks wild. So bada bing bada boom, I'm done. Don't I look so much put together when my hair's down? This is my everyday look and I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me. If you guys did like this video, leave me a comment below letting me know so I know whether to do these again. And if you didn't like them, then you didn't like them. That's okay. Everyone's entitled to their opinion, right? If you guys want to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of every time I post a video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and I will be seeing you guys in my next one. Bye!